No service between Avenue and Don Valley stations during overhead wire repairs by the maintainer. I guess that's the TTC's way of saying, hey, it's not on us. Shuttle buses are running. And this is the scene on Eglinton Avenue where the shiny, new but not really new at all, Line 5 is not running. I was getting off Line 1 of the subway at Eglinton Station when I heard an announcement that shuttle buses were running. Someone just said, unbelievable. There's a crowd of people on the other side of the street. And hey there, today is Wednesday, May 20th, 4:20 p.m. is the time. 19 degrees Celsius is the temperature, although it feels a little bit warmer than that. And once again, the TTC is doing that thing it does so well. And that is barely work. This line was years late and billions of dollars over budget. And it's already gone down several times, requiring shuttle buses since it opened, I think, in February. This is the intersection of Yonge and Eglinton.
Was in the second year of it.
Well, at least the weather's not that bad. I just watched a video this morning on the B1M channel that was questioning whether the Ontario line would get up and running on time. That video is called, "Is Canada Set to Fail on Yet Another Mega Rail Project?" And when it says another rail project, they're referring to Line 5 here, as well as Line 6, which ironically, when I was trying to look up to see what the actual problem was, the TTC Alert website said, "Sorry for the inconvenience, information is not available," so that was down, so I had to jump on Twitter, or I guess X they call it, and that said Line 6 just had a problem cleared up and had recently resumed. But the line runs underneath Eglinton here. And you think we would be seeing wall-to-wall shuttle buses. It's been down apparently since 2 p.m. I think it was initially down just between Mount Pleasant and Laird stations. I took Line 5 from Eglinton to the somewhat disingenuously named Forest Hill Station earlier today. That was before 2.
I have the bill.
And I was expecting just to see a wave of shuttle buses along here. There's one there. And if the line's been down for a few hours, they've had time to divert buses. That's a nice way of passing the buck, calling it the maintainer. That's going to add at least 30 minutes to your commute. You got to wait for a bus, it's going to get stuck in traffic. And yeah, shit happens, stuff's going to go down, but this line was so late relative to when it should have opened. They should have had all the kinks worked out. And it just seems if you rely on the TTC, all it takes is for someone to stub their toe in one of the vehicles and the whole thing gets ground to a halt. And neither of those are actually shuttle buses. I'm starting to wonder if this thing cleared up. Let me check the alerts now. Live service alerts. No service between Avenue and Don Valley stations during overhead wire repairs. .34 bus. Here comes the shuttle bus. I would expect this to be absolutely jam-packed with people. Oh, that guy just got a ticket. Yeah, look at these people. Okay, it is 4:26. Let's see how long it takes for the next shuttle bus to appear. This is Eglinton Avenue East, by the way. La Carnita. I don't rely on the TTC to work a 9 to 5, but I do take it every day. And it's all too often I find myself getting delayed or inconvenienced. There's a jam-packed shuttle bus. We'll just head over to Mount Pleasant Station and see what things are like over there. And maybe what I'll do is, I probably won't record it, but I might ride the shuttle bus back over to Yonge and Eglinton. I tapped into the subway about 40 minutes ago, so I'm still within my 2 hours. It'll be a little awkward recording in a crammed bus. That's where the Unicorn, one of the oldest pubs in the city, used to be. There's a few different bus routes that come along this way anyways that I guess We're gonna scoop up some potential shuttle bus riders. It's an absolutely beautiful day though to go out and take a walk. 74 Mount Pleasant bus going to Eglinton Station. I imagine there would be more people going in the other direction from Eglinton who are coming from downtown then feeding into Eglinton. Oh, there's a shuttle bus. I won't be getting on that one. Second cup. Well, they've got a guy in front of the station probably just telling people to go across the street. There's a packed eastbound shuttle bus. That bus isn't super duper busy. All right, it is 4:31. Okay, I've legitimately waited about 7 minutes and there's still no sign of a shuttle bus. And although it's only been 7 minutes, it certainly feels a hell of a lot longer than that. So what I'm gonna do, I thought maybe that was one coming, but nope, is I'm just gonna walk back and I'm gonna see if I get there before a shuttle bus passes me. Since I just recorded the walk this way, I am not going to record the whole walk, but I will give an update as to how this ends up. All right, I'm gonna get moving. Almost at Redpath Avenue. It's been a few minutes. Looking back, and I think I see a shuttle bus way, way down there. It's gonna be close. There's quite a bit of congestion here. No sign of the shuttle bus, but Some slob littered their meal onto the street, or what's left of it. But I'm guessing with this congestion and the construction up ahead, I will easily get back to where I started before a shuttle bus comes.
People are always like complaining about how. I was just saying that I don't want to have to deal with either.
I think I spotted a shuttle bus off in the distance, getting closer. And it's back to Yonge and Eglinton. As predicted, I was able to beat the bus here. But since that means this would probably be about 20 minutes between shuttle buses, for the people waiting here, there's going to be a pretty big crowd waiting for a westbound shuttle bus, I would guess. Well, it's not that bad. There's a bus there. They might be deploying shuttle buses from Eglinton. But look at that. I think there's a bus. I think there's a bus way down there. Oh well, just documenting some TTC hijinks and nonsense on a Wednesday afternoon. If you got caught up in this, let me know down in the comments. But fun times in Toronto. Thank you for watching, guys. Yoink.